as a student at CLC, and topic given to me is as artificial intelligence is a death of creativity. So I believe that in this topic that really artificial intelligence is damaging our minds of the students particularly because the school going students, they are taking the advantage or the usage of the artificial intelligence in their daily routine for their homework, for their working, and for creating some essays and the paragraph because it really impacts their brainstorming, it really impacts their thinking and creativity, and also they start avoiding reading books and wasting their knowledge as well. So I believe artificial intelligence is really impacting the school going students and the college going students for their impacting their creativity. But as far as the university going student or for their research work, I believe it is helpful for them as well. But at the same time, they can get a lot of knowledge, lot of details from AI, but they avoiding reading books, and also they do not go for the research as previously they were doing. Also, it is impacting the creativity of the people working in creative minds or in the creative departments like the marketing, because they start using AI technology and getting a shortcuts because obviously they are busy. So they find it is easier to get some details, get some different ideas, and then implement them. So I believe overall AI is taking over the human mind and also impacting the creativity as well. So to avoid this, I believe we should restrict this AI to a limited level, only to share some knowledge and also only to get some details, not to get all the work done already prepared.